Shout out Diggs for setting the 10-7
I'm gonna go a little bit higher because I want to be conservative.
You really need the experience behind SMP. You can't just go get a tattoo machine and go straight at it. It's more strategic than that. You gotta know how to blend the dots. You have to make natural hairlines before making hard hairlines. And there's a lot of different hairlines that you gotta accommodate to.
You're gonna hear the word natural all the time. They're gonna be like, hey bro, I want a crispy edge up, but I want it natural. You mean you want it to look natural? Every hairline we do here looks natural, but when we use the word natural, we're referring to a specific type of hairline. Natural broken hairline.
It's all broken up. It's gonna be all staggered.
I took this class specifically so that I can offer a more natural look for my clients as an option if they're losing their hair. We used to say you can take it off, but you can't put it on, you know what I mean? Now we can do both.
I wanna see a fade, right? If I'm behind, I won't see the fade. From the side, I'll see how it's going.
Jeff and Kat can see what I do, and then they tell me what I need to improve.
When you lean back, you can see areas that are lighter. Realizing coloration is what's gonna allow you to make everything be uniform.
This class is going to get you to the next level of your career. Even if you feel like you're doing good, add something else to your repertoire to keep people coming back.
Just finished up here at LDRSMP Academy with my guy Picasso. In this day and age, it's super important to be updated with all the tips and tricks and advancements in both careers, not only in barbering, but in scalp micropigmentation. Bridging the gap between both industries is gonna really take you to the next level, y'all.
So I'm a barber and educator, and I want to learn SMP because I want to be more in the know. You know, I'd rather know how to do stuff and advance my skill and extend my knowledge. That way I can go further with my career.
His top frown line is right about there. From the edge of the lip to the edge of the eye, just like that. Now you got your 7.
Everybody was so patient in every single question. They make you feel motivated and they push you to want to do better. And I think that's a huge thing.
Dents right here, less dents, broken up here, okay? I could tell this area right here, if I push too hard, I'm gonna make blowouts. I gotta use a smaller needle or don't push too heavy.
I highly recommend Jeff and the Leaders Academy because they truly take the time to teach you.
Don't just rush into this thing because you're gonna ruin people's lives and you're gonna take people's money. Please be very afraid and let that fear drive you to get good.